for calcium hydroxide be? What's the oxidation on calcium?
+2. So it'd be H2Ca.
Calcium hydroxide, James.
CaOH.
Ca,
H2.
like this?
No, the H has to be in parentheses.
Just
OH.
the H?
No, the OH, hydroxide, has to be in parentheses.
Okay, be careful. If you start your problem with writing your reactant wrong to begin with, that whole problem's going to be wrong. Okay? All right, now, what are the two products that we always see in an acid-base neutralization reaction? We have the acid reacting with a base. We always have a salt.
Oh wait, salts in water.
And a water. So this is easy. You already know what one of your products is going to be every single time. Every single time you're going to end up with water. So that means you only have to figure out the salt. All right. These are all double replacement reactions where we have AX plus BY will yield AY plus BX. You need to practice those. Before you start packing up, I still have a few minutes. I need your time. Yeah, so determining which has a higher pH. What would have a higher pH if we're looking at the concentration of hydrogen ions? What would need to be true if I'm comparing the two? I'm comparing the hydrogen ions of two substances. How would I know which one has a higher pH? Whichever one
Has less concentration.
has less hydrogen, has less concentrated, because, right, a strong acid would have a low pH, right? You with me?
Strong acid would have a lot of hydrogen.
This isn't a very good question right here. Anyways, okay, so looking at 47, here it's giving us the Kas, which means we're looking at the constants of the acids of hydrofluoric acid and of nitrous acid. Which one would be a stronger acid? Which one would have the lower pH?
HNO2.
The nitrous acid. Why is that?
Because it has less hydrogen.
Because it's smaller. So when you're determining these, all you're doing is comparing the numbers. We're looking for this question says the higher pH, so we're looking for the weaker acid. Does that make sense?
Yeah, weaker acid.
Okay. Now on your test, it may ask you which is the stronger acid. You need to be looking. Then you would be looking for which one? The one with the highest hydrogen concentration. It could ask you about your base. Which one is weak or Anyway, read your questions carefully. All you need to be able to determine is which number is bigger or smaller.
Okay.